Hello, all, good morning. You able to hear me? Everyone able to hear me? Can you please reply in chat? Are you able to see my screen? Everyone, are you able to see my screen? Please reply. And are you able to hear me? Yes. Just hold on a second. Yeah. Okay, let's start. Good morning, all. Welcome to Raj Informatica. Before starting session, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Raj Informatica Realtime Hands-on Job Training. In this YouTube channel, we have many videos regarding Informatica PowerCenter, Informatica iics, Oracle, etc. Also, there are many useful videos available in my YouTube channel. So please subscribe my channel, comment and like if you like. If you like, comment and like. Also, please visit rajinformatica.com. This is our official website. In this website, you can see the courses we offer and also materials. You can see the Power Center materials, Informatica iics materials, Unix study materials, Oracle study materials, and also interview questions, Informatica IDMC questions, Oracle questions, Informatica PowerCenter interview questions. Like this, we have all the questions available. So you can keep browsing this website. Now let's come to our training. Today is batch 23 morning first session. I welcome all you people to my training, Informatica PowerCenter training. So I hope everyone is able to hear me, and I hope everyone is able to see my screen, correct? Is my voice is clear and my this is clear? Yes, please. Yeah, okay. So let's start the session. Let's start the session. We are all learning here Informatica. We are all learning here Informatica PowerCenter. First, we'll go through the course. What and all we will cover in this course. What and all, how the timings are, all these things we will see first. Then we'll go to the topic. So, we are all learning here Informatica PowerCenter. The timings are two timings. Morning 9:30 to 11:30. Evening 7:30 to 9:30. Evening 7:30 to 9:30 p.m. So either you can join morning or evening. Whatever I tell on morning, the same thing will be repeated in evening. So you can join either morning or evening. It's your wish. So if you can't join in morning session, you stick to one session first. If you can't join on morning session, join in evening session. Okay, that's about it. And Raj Informatica official phone number is 8105296858. Also 9113861544. Also 9880490148. These three are the official numbers. You have to respond. You have to respond. Okay. Only if you get a message from these numbers. Other numbers you can ignore. Those are not our numbers. I have personal number also. I'll give that later. Yes, please. Yeah. Okay. So now, coming to the installation, I hope almost all people already installed Informatica, correct? Did you install Informatica? Everyone? So if you don't install, you can install, you can ask the links. So my team will provide the link. My team will provide Informatica 10.2.0 link and also Oracle 11G link. As of now, these two you need to install. First Oracle 11G and also Informatica 10.2.0. So you need to install these two. I have given a step-by-step installation video. So if you need, I'll send you. Or it is there in YouTube. You can go to YouTube and search or Google search like this. Informatica PowerCenter installation by Raj. If you give it, the first one, this is the one. So in this video, I have clearly explained so how to install Informatica, how to install Oracle, how to install Informatica. I already explained. So please go through this. About the installation is this. It's a step-by-step installation. You can easily understand it. You can easily understand it. Okay, if you are getting problem, then WhatsApp to 8105296858. My team will resolve. Okay. Now, next, to install Informatica, what are the configuration of the laptop you require? What are the configuration of the laptop you require? So it may be, if you have 8 GB RAM, that is always good. If you don't have 8 GB RAM, at least 6 GB RAM must be there. Informatica can install only in at least 6 GB RAM. Okay. So if you have 4 GB RAM, try to take 4 GB extra so that it will become 8 GB and your system will be faster. Okay. It can be any generation, any processor, i3, i5, i7 or Ryzen. These are, it will support Windows 8, 10 or 11, but 8, 10, or 10 and 11 will be good instead of 8 and 11. So 8 and instead of 8, if you have at least Informatica 10 or 11, that will be good. So if you have 512 SSD or 256 SSD also, is more than enough. Okay. So that's more than enough. So these are the system requirements. 6 GB RAM, i3, i5 or i7, Windows 8, 10 or 11, but 10 and 11 are preferable than 8 and at least 6 GB RAM. Okay. So this is about the installation system requirement. Everyone understanding what I'm saying? Are you able to understand what I'm saying, please? You have to respond in chat. When I ask you something, you have to respond proactively. You have to respond immediately in the chat. Okay. Make the session as interactive. Okay. So you have to respond. When I ask any question, please respond immediately in the chat. Okay. Now next, as I told you, the first 1 or 2 weeks or first 1 or 1.5 week, alternative sessions means actually next session will be on Monday. But Monday I have some work. So next session will be on Tuesday. Next session will be on Tuesday. Okay. So on 2nd, then 4th, maybe on next week like that. Okay. I'll tell you the schedules in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So in this training, I will take 30 to 33 classes. I'll take 30 to 30 sessions to 33 sessions. Daily 2 hours. Daily strictly 2 hours. 30 to 33 sessions I'll take, all live sessions. Okay, so you have to attend the sessions, attend the live sessions without fail. You have to attend the live sessions without fail. Yes, please. So now coming to the recordings, 1 to 10 recordings available in the website, so you can watch anytime. On 11th to 33rd recording, there will be 24-hour access, so you can watch within 24 hours and you can practice. If you need any 1 or 2 sessions in between, if you miss, then you can ask me, but you should not miss the live sessions. Strictly attend the live sessions. Okay. The sessions will be on Monday to Saturday. Sunday will be holiday. Okay. Now I'm telling again. 2-hour session. Always watch in laptop, please. Don't watch in mobile. Maybe today you are watching in mobile, but from next session, don't watch in mobile. Mobile screen is less. You will not understand anything. So please watch in laptop only. Concentrate these 2 sessions. Listen these 2 sessions, please. First, attend all the sessions. Attend all the live sessions, please. Attend all the live sessions. Listen carefully. Sit in a calm room. Lock your room. Okay. Put your mobile in silent and listen carefully. Then understand carefully. Practice on daily basis. Attend the live sessions. Listen the live sessions. Understand the live sessions. Practice day by day on the same day and attend the interviews and get the job. This is what you need to do it. Okay, everyone, are you clear, please? I am telling at the first session only. So please don't miss any session because every session is important. All 32 sessions, the two first 10 sessions are very important because we'll cover basics in first 10 sessions. So you have to attend regularly without fail. You have to understand and you have to practice. Daily, I will send the Google Drive link in the website itself. It will be there. So in the Google Drive link, yes, please, you will get daily material, whatever I show here. You no need to note down whatever I'm saying. You no need to note down. I will give all the notes to you. Whatever I am showing you, I will give all the notes to you. You no need to worry, please. Yes, guys. Understanding everyone? Are you clear, please? So if you practice on daily basis, if you read the interview questions given by me, if you apply for the jobs, you will surely get the jobs. Okay, so don't waste time. Our training will go 70 plus hours. Okay, 70 to 80 hours it will be. Now in this training, what and all I will cover? In this training, I will cover Oracle SQL basics, Informatica PowerCenter 10.2.0 basics to advanced, Unix basics commands, mini project. I will ask you to do it. I'll give the resume to you. I'll give the interview questions and job assistance means how to apply, where to apply, how to crack the interview. All these things I will tell. You no need to worry about it. Okay? Clear, please? Everyone understood? Are you clear? So once the session is over on daily basis, You have to practice the session without watching the video. Without watching the video, practice the sessions. If you watch the video 100 times, there is no use. If you watch the video and practice 100 times, there is no use. But if you practice without watching a video one time, so that will be remembered by lifetime. Now coming to the WhatsApp groups, there will be a morning WhatsApp group, evening WhatsApp group. Whoever paid full fee, we will add you to that WhatsApp group. So if you did not pay the full fee, please pay as soon as possible and get the WhatsApp group access. So all the updates will be given. All the updates will be given in this WhatsApp group. Okay. All the updates will be given in this WhatsApp group. So please, if you did not pay the full fee, pay the full fee and get the WhatsApp group access. And also we have Telegram group. I'll give that link, which is only our students. I'll give that. Apart from that, we have the practice groups. So we will be having 5 to 6 practice groups like this, 9 to 12, 12 to 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12, 12 to 9, like that. You can join any one of the group and practice with others. These practice groups are very successful in my training. So join in any one practice group, call to the other people, join in a Zoom call and practice together. That's how my practice groups will work. Yes, please. So as I told you again, listen carefully, practice on daily basis. If you practice whatever the tasks are given, if you complete the project, if you complete all the tests in the website, if you read and understand all my PPTs and notes, then you will be easily able to get the job. If you don't do any one of this, okay, attend without fail. The first one is attend the live sessions without fail. Okay. So if you do all these things, then you can easily get a job. If you do all these things, you can easily get a job. If you don't do any one of this, you don't get a job. So in my training, majorly there are three subjects are there. One is Informatica, Oracle, Unix. Informatica and Oracle are the major subjects here. Unix is a minor one. So Unix just basics are enough. But Oracle and Informatica in-depth you need to learn. So only three subjects, the two major subjects are easy to learn. Maybe all here, maybe complete your BA or BTech, MC or MBA, or you complete your degree like BSc, BCom, BBA, BBM, okay, any other degree. In BE, BTech, at least 50 plus subjects will be there. In MC, MBA, 20 plus subjects will be there. Degree, 15 plus subjects will be there. When you are able to read, understand, practice, and crack these 15, 20, 50 subjects, why can't you crack 3 subjects? So the only thing is, you should not waste the time. Yes, please. You should not waste the time for these 35, 40 days. Our training will go on 35, 40 days. So you have to attend the sessions and practice as much as possible, please. Okay. Now, how many hours should I practice on daily basis? How many hours I should practice on daily basis? If you have 5 hours, practice 5 hours. If you have 10 hours, practice 10 hours. If you have 1 hour, practice 1 hour. But don't ignore the practice. Practice as much as possible. Suppose you are working guy, you are having only 2 hours, practice 2 hours for Informatica and Oracle. If you have 5 hours free time, practice 5 hours, do the mapping, practice the same thing 5 to 10 times. So that is how you can practice and you can perfect in the Informatica. Yes, please. Now, When I come to here, you should leave all your worries. What are the worries you have? Number one, in this almost all Telugu speaking people are there. Also, there are other country people, other state people, but majority Telugu speaking people will be there in our training. They think that they don't have communication skills. They don't know English. But you are the people who knows English better. English is just a communication language. We are not doing any literature here. We are not doing any MA in English. English is just a communication language. Whatever you speak, that should be understandable to other people. Whatever you speak, that should be understandable to others. So these 35 days, chant in English, speak in English. English will come by speaking only. English will not come by reading, listening, writing. It will not come. It will come by speaking only. Speak these 35 days simple English like me with your family members or with your friends who knows better than English for you, and ask them to correct your English. So if you practice these 35 days speaking English, you will be really good at English, I'm saying. So English is not a big deal at all. It is just a communication skill. Okay, guys, understood everyone? Are you clear, please? Everyone understanding? Now, leave the worries that you don't have communication skills. Just listen to me how I am speaking English. Try to speak that English in your home or in your with friends. If you do this, really, many people achieved that. Many people spoken English. You don't need to join any spoken English class. Nothing, not required at all. It's waste of time. Just speak whatever the English you know. Try to speak. Just go on speak. Then it will come. If you don't know Oracle, if you don't know Informatica, that's fine, not a problem. I'll teach you from zero. If you don't know anything, also I'll teach you. If you have career gap, if you have educational gap, if you're a housewife, if you're a non-IT background, okay, whatever it is, you can get a job. The only thing is you have to listen and understand carefully, please. Is it clear, everyone? Everyone is it clear, guys? Yes, please. So this is about the course, how the course will be. Now let's go to the topic now. Now let's go to the topic. First, what is Informatica? Why we need Informatica? Where we will use Informatica in our real time? Informatica project means what? What Informatica project, in Informatica projects, what people will do? So that is the main doubt you have maybe. Okay, let's go to a simple scenario, okay? I'll try to understand in the easiest manner, okay? See, as I told you, Informatica is a ETL tool. Informatica is a ETL tool. So ETL means extract, transform, and load. I'll tell later. This Informatica used in any business. This Informatica used in any business. Okay, fine. Let's go to the business, okay? Let's go to Big Bazaar. You know Big Bazaar, correct? You know Big Bazaar, everyone? Yes, guys? Yes, please. You know Big Bazaar? Yes or no, guys? Just hold on 1 second. I'll come back in 1 minute. Just hold on. Hold on 1 minute. I'll come back. Just hold on 1 minute, please. Be on mute. Hold on 1 minute. I'll come back. Yes, please. Okay, I'm back. So what I'm trying to say is, let's take a Big Bazaar scenario. So if you go to Big Bazaar, what you will do? You will take all the groceries, whatever you want. You will take all the groceries, and also you will take whatever the vegetables you want, fruits, groceries. You will put it in a basket, and you will go to the cashier, correct? When you go to the cashier, what cashier will do? Cashier will scan your all the barcodes of the items, and he will click a print, correct? Yes, guys. Will you click the print? Everyone, is it right? When you click on print, the bill will come, but internally, the data, customer data, suppose your name is Arun. Arun has took 10,000 worth groceries, fruits, and vegetables. His bill is 10,000. When you click on print, the cashier clicked on print, the items, number of the items, item name, item count, total item, it will give the print bill. But internally, this customer data will save under database. Now coming to data, what is meant by data? What is meant by data? Quickly, please. What is meant by data? Data means collection of information. Data means collection of information. Okay. What are the examples of data? Banking data, retail data, that is Big Bazaar is a retail business, correct? Banking data, retail data, yes, please. Educational data, healthcare data, insurance data, government data, entertainment data. So this is all the examples of data. Now where this data will store? Data will store in database. Data will store in database. Actually, data will be two formats, table format or a file format. But ultimately data will store in a database. It can be file database or a whatever it is. It will store in a database. Now, what is the table? Data will be stored in the database in table format. What is a table? Table is a collection of rows and columns. Table is a collection of rows and columns. Suppose this is called a table, correct? Suppose the table name is customers. The table name is customers. So customer ID, cust name. Okay. Yes, please. Location. Yes, guys. Bill amount, number of items, like this. Yes, please. Number of items, bill amount, like this is called a table. Everyone able to hear me? Are you able to understand, hear me properly? Yes, guys. So table is a collection of rows, horizontal. Horizontal lines are called rows. The vertical lines are called columns. Suppose I have the customer ID 10 Raj, Bangalore, 100 items, bill amount 10,000 or 5,000. Okay, 20 items, 5,000. 20 Ram, Chennai, 50 items, 15,000. Like this, these are called rows. This is called a row or a record. Row or records. And this customer ID, customer ID, customer name, location, number of items, bill amount is a columns. Also called columns, also called fields, also called attributes. So when you go to Big Bazaar, suppose 100 people entered into Big Bazaar. Today 100 people, 100 customers entered. All these customers data will enter like this. Automatically it will enter in the database, in the table actually. So the data will stored in the format of rows and columns in a table. Table is a collection of rows and columns. So these data will go and store in the database, in the table actually. Now these collection of tables are called a database. So what it is? Data means collection of information, correct? Data means collection of information. Table means collection of information in the format of rows and columns, correct? Collection of information in the format of rows and columns. Yes or no, please? Now, when suppose I have 10 tables. These 10 tables will store in a database. These 10 tables will store in a database. Collection of tables is called database. Understood? Are you clear, please? So whenever you go to the Big Bazaar, whenever you took the items and whenever you give to the cashier will scan all the barcodes and he will click on print. When you click on print, the print will be given to you. Internally, the data will be stored in the format of, okay. Yes, please. Schema I will tell later. What is schema I will tell later. As of now, we are going to pure basics. About the schema I'll tell you in the next session. Okay. Yes, guys. So whenever he click on a print, you will get a print in a hard copy, but internally it will go and saved in the table called a customer table or whatever the table. And these kind of tables stored in a place called database. Now, what are the examples of databases? Banking database, retail database, educational database, healthcare database, insurance database, government database, entertainment database. If you go to any bank, if you deposit 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 withdraw, all will be saved under few tables. All will be saved under database. That's the banking database. If you go to supermarket, that is a retail. If you go to college, school, educational. If you go to hospital, medical shop, pharmacy, healthcare. If you go to any insurance company, insurance. If you go to any government office, whatever they enter in the system, nowadays everybody is having a system, correct? If you go to a shop next to your home, he is also having a laptop or a desktop, correct? Yes or no, please? Is it correct, guys? So all this data will store in a table format, mainly table format, and these tables will store in a database. Now let's go to so you understood now what is the data, what is table, what is database. Now, for example, let's go to this Big Bazaar scenario. For example, I have a Big Bazaar. I am the owner of the Big Bazaar. I have a branch called Indiranagar. In Bangalore. In Bangalore, I have a branch called Indiranagar. Yes, please. So in Indiranagar, on 29th of March 2024, 100 customers entered. 100 customers entered into my store today, and they did 10 lakh business. They did 20 lakh business, for example. Okay. So as a Big Bazaar owner, what I will do at the end of the day? What I will say at the end of the day as a business owner? As a business owner, what I will say at the end of the day? What I'll see, guys? Any business, what I will say at the end of the day? What are the sales today?
whether from these sales, whether I got profit or whether I got loss. Correct? Yes or no, please? Is that right? What I'll see? I'll see the total sales today. Total sales is 20 lakh. Total sales today is 20 lakh. Out of 20 lakh, whether I got profit or not, how to check? What are the expenses of today? What are the expenses for today, correct? Expenses means maintenance of the building, rent of the building, maintenance of the building, correct? Maintenance of the building, cost price of the goods. Okay. Suppose there is a book you are selling in Big Bazaar. Big Bazaar got a book for 10 rupees, but they will sell 12 rupees to the customers. That is cost price is 10 rupees. Selling price is 12 rupees, but cost price is 10 rupees. Rent, maintenance, cost price, maintenance fees, power, everything will come. And salaries of the employees, all these they will calculate. Suppose I got for today, if I calculate, expenses are 15 lakhs. So profit equal to sales minus expenses, correct? That is equal to 20 lakh minus 15 lakh, 5 lakh profit today, correct? I got 5 lakh profit today. Yes or no, please? Is it right, please? Everyone, is it right? I got profit today. That is sales minus expenses is 5 lakh. Suppose, for example, the sales I got 10 lakh, but the expenses I got 15 lakh. Then sales minus expense equal to minus 5 lakh. So that is loss is 5 lakh. Loss is 5 lakh. Yes, please. Understood, everyone? So ultimately, in a business, based on the customer data, employee data, yes, please. Based on the data, I will see whether I got loss or profit. Okay, fine. Like that, I have, in Bangalore, I have 4 branches. In Bangalore, I have Indranagar branch, I have Jayanagar branch, I have JP Nagar branch, I have Indranagar branch, Jayanagar branch, JP Nagar branch, MG Road branch. Now, I want to see the total Bangalore profit or loss. I can see, correct? I'll get the report from here. Like that, I have the data, okay? I have Indranagar data, I have JP Nagar data, I have Jayanagar data, I have MG Road data. Based on this, I need the city-wise report, correct? I need the city-wide report, yes or no? In total Bangalore city, what is the profit or loss? Like this, I have Bangalore, I have 5 branches. Chennai, I have 7 branches. Hyderabad, I have 10 branches. Mumbai, I have 8 branches. Ultimately, what I need is, I need the business reports, correct? As an owner of the business or a CEO of the business, what I will see exactly? I will see the business reports. Business reports means branch-wise reports. Yes, guys. City-wise report. Yes or no? I need it. I need it. Then state-wide report. Yes, guys. And then zonal-wise report. And then country-wide report, correct? To improve my business, I need the business reports. Ultimately, what I need the business reports. Not only just these reports, I need a daily report, correct? I need weekly report. I need monthly report. I need quarterly report. I need yearly report. Yes or no, please? In Bangalore, what is daily profit? What is weekly profit? What is monthly profit? Now, who will generate this? Who will generate this? Everyone getting my point, please? Why we require business reports? Why do we require business reports? Because, for example, I am seeing the monthly report of Indranagar branch. Monthly report of Indranagar branch. I am seeing it. How I am seeing it? In January month, I got 50 lakh loss. In February month, I got 1.5 crore loss. In March month, I got 20 lakh loss. In April month, I got 70 lakh loss. Like this, these losses are going down, correct? Yes or no, please? How I got to know this? Whether I got loss or profit? Based on the business report. Yes or no? How I get to know whether I got profit or loss? Based on the report, not from the data. See, from the data, you cannot get this. From the data, we will get the reports, understanding. Just by seeing the data, you cannot understand it. Big Bazaar owner needs the reports. When he have the reports, then he can easily analyze the report and he can take a better business decision. Now, continuously 4 to 6 months I am getting loss, then there is no point in continuing the business, correct? If I am getting this much loss on every month, shall I continue the business? It's waste of time, correct? If I keep quiet also, I'll not get loss at least. Yes or no, please? Is it right? Instead of getting losses, so much of losses, so much of effort, we need to, so much of time we are spending, so much of money we are spending, so much of effort we are spending. These are all become loss, means there is no point in continuing Big Bazaar and Indranagar branch. I'll remove the branch and I will see a good location and I'll start my business in that location. How I got to know that? Just if I have the data, I cannot know it. See, every table you will open. Okay, Indranagar branch table you open. Big Bazaar, MG Road branch, Chennai, you cannot open and you cannot see them. When you have a report, at the end of the day, I need 10 reports to my mobile. To my mobile, I need 10 reports. What kind of reports? Today I got loss or profit. Whether I got loss or profit. In every branch, whether I got loss or profit. You can see it. Understood? Everyone, are you clear, please? Understanding? Clear about it? Now, who will generate this? And also, suppose I want to give bonus to my employees. I want to give bonus to my employees. From these business reports, I'll get a report, top 100 salaried people, lowest 500 salaried people, people who are getting high salaries, 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, like top 100, I'll give 5% bonus. For lowest 500 people, I'll give 15% bonus. If I give 15% bonus also, not a problem, correct? For the low salary people, yes or no? Because that will not be a huge impact. Is that right, please? Everyone? If I give 15% to them, then my revenue will be somewhere, okay? So, based on the reports, I can give, based on the reports, I can take the better business decisions. Now, who will generate the reports? This is very important. So, there is an organization, there is a business. This is a business, correct? This is a big bazaar. This is a business. Is it right? This is big bazaar. What big bazaar is having? Big bazaar is having tables, correct? Big bazaar is having data. Data in the format of what? They have the data in the format of tables, correct? This data is called transactional data. What is this data? Transactional data. Also called raw data. Yes, guys, understanding? Raw data, also called OLTP. OLTP, online transaction processing. There is a business called Big Bazaar. Daily the customers will go to the Big Bazaar. They will do the business. Once they do the business, they are having the data in their tables. Now, Big Bazaar needs someone to generate the reports. Yes or no? Big Bazaar needs some people. Big Bazaar will tell to someone that I will give this data to you, tables to you. You prepare the business reports and send me. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, please? Getting my point? Everyone, are you clear, please? Now, who will generate these reports? Who will give these reports? Now, Big Bazaar will contact to a software company. That software company name is, for example, Accenture. Okay? Big Bazaar will contact to a software company called Accenture. Getting my point, guys? Try to understand, please. I am telling you in a simple manner. This can be understandable by kids also. Now, there is a software company called Accenture. Accenture is in the software industry from 30 years minimum. They implemented many projects. Now, Big Bazaar will contact to Accenture. Big Bazaar will tell to Accenture that I have how many tables? I have 50 tables, or I have 100 tables. I have 100 tables. I'll give this 100 tables data to you. And I will give what is my requirement? I want the business reports. Ultimately, Big Bazaar wants these reports, correct? Ultimately, Big Bazaar needs these reports. Yes or no, please? Is it right? Big Bazaar needs these reports. Okay? Big Bazaar needs these reports. So so Big Bazaar will tell to Accenture that I'll give 100 tables to you. You generate the reports. Now, Accenture will generate the reports. Accenture will generate the reports. How Accenture will generate the reports? Ultimately, Accenture will generate the reports. How Accenture will generate the reports? Accenture will hire ETL developers, Informatica developers. In Accenture, like you, like me, ETL developers will be there. Accenture will hire ETL developers. Accenture will take, suppose I am an ETL developer in Accenture. I will take the data from raw data, that is transactional data. These are transactions only, correct? These are daily transactions of Big Bazaar. Yes or no, please? Are these daily transactions of Big Bazaar? Who entered these data? Who entered these data? The cashiers, correct? Clerks. Cashiers will enter the data on daily basis. These will go and sit in the database. As a ETL developer from Accenture, I will extract the data from OLTP. What I will do? I will extract the data from OLTP and I will transform the data, means modify, and I will load the data to data warehouse. Understood, everyone? So, what I will do? I will extract the data from here. I'll extract the data from here and I will modify it and I will load it to the data warehouse. This is data warehouse. OLTP means online transactional processing. I will load this data into data warehouse. Okay, this is called analytical data. This is called analytical data. This is called raw data. Once we extracted, modified the data and loaded, this is become analytical data. Analytical data also called OLAP, online analytical processing. And from this is also called OLAP. This is also called OLAP. This is also called data warehouse. From the data warehouse, reports will generate. From the data warehouse, reports will generate. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, please? Everyone, are you clear? Yes, guys. So, what Big Bazaar has given, they given the data directly to me. I modified, I transformed as a ETL developer, you and me, I transformed the data as per the business requirement and this is just a basic data. This is just a basic data or a raw data that converted into analytical data from that reports will generate. Okay, I'll tell you in this simple example still. Suppose my requirement is, I want to build an apartment. My requirement is, what is my requirement? I want to build an apartment. That is my requirement. Okay? Yes, guys. What is my requirement? I want to build an apartment. Okay? If I want to build an apartment, what I will do? I will go to some construction company and I'll give the money to them, correct? If I want to build an apartment, I will go to some construction real estate company. Everyone, are you there? Understanding? If I want to construct an apartment, I will give the money to a construction company. And what construction company will do? First, they will take the raw material, correct? Raw material means what? What are raw materials to construct a building? Cement, bricks, iron, cement, bricks, iron, sand. These are the things required to construct a building initially. Stones. Yes, guys. Are these called raw materials? Everyone, you need to reply. You need to reply, please. Are these raw material to construct a building? What is my requirement? I want an apartment finally. I'll go to the construction building and I'll give money. He will buy all these things. Then he will hire workers, correct? The construction company will hire workers. Yes or no, please? These workers use this raw material, and they built an apartment. They built 4 floors. 4 floors is having 16 flats, each floor 6 flats, 16 flats are having. 4 floors constructed, 16 flats, 2 BHKs or 3 BHKs constructed. But they did not paint it. They did not painted it. they did not do the interior. Will you take? If an apartment is a painted apartment, is not painted, and it is not do interior, will you take it? Will you accept it? Can you leave it? Can you live in that apartment? No, you cannot live. Then what? So 4 floors apartment is ready now. 4 floors apartment is ready. Apartment is ready without paint and all. Just a apartment, the walls, everything is ready. Everything is ready. I can see the apartment, but I cannot leave. To leave the apartment, what I need? I need to make the paint for that apartment, correct? It should be a good paint, good looking paint, attractive paint, attractive tiles, correct? Attractive wardrobe, that is interior, attractive interiors. Yes or no, please? Attractive interiors with woodwork, false ceiling, whatever it is. Yes, guys? Then only I can leave. Lightings, yes. Lightings. Yes, please. All this I need to leave. I cannot live in here. Now compare it with your software industry. So Big Bazaar is having raw data, correct? Raw material. I have the raw material. Big Bazaar is having raw data. They need the reports. They contacted to Accenture. I given the raw material to my construction company. They hired workers. Accenture hired software engineers, ETL developers. They transformed the data. These are transformed to apartment. These are transformed to an apartment, correct? And same, this raw data is transformed to what? This raw data is transformed into analytical data. Means this one. But if I give the analytical data to the client, to the Big Bazaar, will he able to understand the analytical data? Will he able to understand the analytical data, please? If I give this data to Big Bazaar, Accenture has given this data to Big Bazaar. No, they cannot understand. What they want, they need what? They need the reports. Same way, just an apartment, I built an apartment, take it, means no. What you should do in that apartment, you should paint it, you should give tiles, you should give interiors, you should give lightings. That is called the reports. Understood clearly now? So as a ETL developer, what we will do, we will extract the data from different businesses. So Accenture is for us, Accenture, Big Bazaar is a client, correct? Big Bazaar is giving money to Accenture to get the reports. So Big Bazaar is a client to Accenture, correct? Big Bazaar is a client to Accenture. Big Bazaar is a customer to Accenture. Big Bazaar is a stakeholder to Accenture, correct? Big Bazaar is a user to Accenture. Accenture took a project, Big Bazaar project, it is taking up and it is giving the reports. Understood clearly, please? Everyone? Did you understand what is your work? Your work is, you have to go to a software company. In that software company, like this Big Bazaar, okay, or anything you can take it, Walmart or D-Mart, or suppose LIC, or suppose ICICI Bank, or suppose a educational, suppose a school, a Don Bosco school, need to generate the student reports. Then these kind of businesses will contact to different software companies. These software companies will hire we people, that is ETL developers. They will give Informatica to us. We are the ETL developers. We will extract the data from the business and we will modify based on the requirement. What is my requirement in here? I need 4 floors. In each floor, I need 4 flats. In each flat, I need 3 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms, 1 kitchen, 1 hall, 1 dining hall, 2 balconies. Correct? Yes or no, guys? That is my requirement. Same way, Big Bazaar will give the requirement, based on the requirement, ETL developers, ETL developer work is still here. ETL developer will extract the data from OLTP, load it to OLAP, extract, transform, and load. Who will generate the reports? Reporting people. Reporting developers will be there, who are working in reporting based on our tables. These are the OLAP. Reporting developers means who is working on Power BI. You know, you heard about Power BI reporting tool. Power BI, yes guys, or Tableau, or Cognos, or SSRS. Yes guys, these are the reporting tools. What we will do, we will extract the data, transform the data, load it to OLAP or data warehouse. From this, reporting people will generate the reports. Understood, please? Everyone, did you understand clearly? Why? What is the work we will do in when you go to real time? Did you understand? What is the project of ETL project or Informatica project or data warehousing project means what? Did you understand? Everyone, please. Are you clear about it? So now we are all going as a ETL. See, there is one technology in software. There are different things in software, correct? In that, there is one thing called business intelligence. What is this? Business intelligence. There is one concept called business intelligence, also called BI. We are all BI developers. Business intelligence. Under business intelligence, we have two things. What are those things? We have two things. Yes, please. Three things actually. 1, 2, 3. What are these are? What are these are? Please see. Data warehousing. What are these things, sir? Data warehousing. Yeah. 1 second, please. Data warehousing. Data warehouse. Yes, please. Data mining. Data visualization. Data mining and data visualization come into the reports. Visualization. Okay. All these things will come in data warehouse. Again, two things are there. In data warehouse, again, two things are there. Okay. ETL reporting. In this, we have two things. ETL, we will call it as ETL tools. Reporting tools. Under ETL tools, we have different tools. Okay, we have different tools available in ETL. What are the ETL tools available in market? Informatica. Yes, please. We have Informatica. Informatica Cloud, that is ISCS or IDMC. Informatica Cloud, that is ISCS or IDMC. Yes, please. And we have Data Stage. We have Ab Initio. We have Snowflake. Yes, please. We have SSIS. Like this, ETL tools. Reporting tools, as I told you, Power BI. We have Tableau, Cognos, SSRS, MicroStrategy. Now, where we will fall? We will fall under ETL tools. We are learning this now. Yes, guys. Understanding everyone? Are you clear? Everyone, are you clear, please? So we are all BI developers. We are all data warehouse developers. We are all ETL developers. Reporting is not our work. Our work is ETL only. Understood, everyone? Now, what is ETL? Why we need ETL? How we need ETL? All these things we'll see in the next session. So, did you understand today's session clearly, please? Did you understand clearly today's session? Did you understand why we need to learn Informatica in a high level? What is data? What is database? Why do we require all these? Did you understand clearly, please? Is my English is understandable to you? Is my session is interesting to you? Is my session is interesting? Is my session is understandable? Is my English is understandable? Yes. Yeah. Now the important update is Monday we have a session. Monday I thought something else, but Monday we have a session. Next session is on Monday, please. Don't miss. Next session is on Monday. ETL topics also I'll cover. Data warehousing concepts I'll cover. Don't worry. Next session is on Monday. Okay, now whoever paid full fee, what they will get? Full fee, if you pay, what you will get it? Number one, WhatsApp group access. Number two, website access. In the website, you can watch the videos. You can download the material. You can watch the video, recording video and material. Yes, guys? Yes, please. WhatsApp group access, website access, and videos and material. So you will get these things if you pay full fee. So please pay full fee to get all these things. Okay. So the next session is on Monday. So fine, guys. So do you like my training? Is it understandable? Did you get a fire idea today? Why we need to learn Informatica? Did you understand? Did you understand clearly, please? Everyone, please reply. Yes, guys. So see you on Monday, guys. Don't miss session from Monday. So I'll upload this session in YouTube and I'll send it to you. Only first two sessions will be uploaded in YouTube. So I'll upload the session in the YouTube and I will send you. Please comment, like, and subscribe my channel. Okay. ETL testing is different. We are all doing ETL development. This is ETL development. We are all doing ETL development. ETL testing is different. I'll tell you later. We are all doing ETL development. ETL testing is different, please. I'll tell that later. Okay. Yes, guys. So see you on Monday. See you on Monday, everyone. Thank you, guys. Thanks for joining today. I hope you got very good understanding from my training. So the same thing, you will get it next sessions also. You no need to worry about it. Before ending the session, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Raj Informatica, and comment and like my videos. There are many useful Oracle, Informatica, Unix, YouTube videos available. You can watch, subscribe, and you can practice. Also, you please keep visiting my website, Raj Informatica is now actually Raj Cloud Technologies. Now our company is changing to Raj Cloud Technologies. Raj Informatica is changing to Raj Cloud Technologies. We are starting a new course very soon, Python. Also, we are starting many courses in future. So now our company is changing to Raj Informatica, Raj Cloud Technologies. So there are many materials available, many interview questions available. You please keep browsing my website. Please keep